Hey everyone, if you've ever found yourself wondering, how do I actually know when someone was last online on Telegram, even if they've hidden their last scene? Today's video is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly what clues Telegram still offers when someone conceals their activity, and you'll be able to piece together a pretty solid idea of how recently they've checked the app. Let's dive right in. First up, it's important to know that even when a user decides to hide their exact last seen time, Telegram doesn't leave you in the complete dark. Instead, the app provides an approximate activity status. So if you open your chat with the person, look just beneath their name, you'll often see one of a few phrases: last seen recently, last seen within a week, last seen within a month, or last seen a long time ago. These are actually more specific than they sound. Last seen recently means the person was on within the last minute to about 3 days. Now, it's not pinpoint accurate, but it will tell you if they're active or just kind of lurking. If it says last seen within a week, you know they haven't actually vanished. It's somewhere between 3 days and a week. Similarly, last seen within a month tells you it's been a week to a month since they checked in. If it ever says last seen a long time ago, that usually means they haven't been online for over a month, or in some cases that you've been blocked. So while you don't get exact timestamps, these phrases still give you some context, like the difference between knowing someone was just here versus been gone for ages. But there's more you can watch for beyond these status phrases. If you're actively chatting with the person and they're on Telegram right that moment, you might actually see online under their name. The catch here is it's only visible if you haven't been excluded from seeing their online status, which does happen sometimes depending on privacy settings. So if you spot online, take it as a guarantee they're definitely using the app right now. Now let's talk about read receipts. Telegram uses check marks to show whether your message reached and was seen. If you see just a single check, that means your message was delivered. But if you see 2 check marks, that's your clue. The person has read your message. It's actually a pretty powerful indicator because even if someone's last seen is hidden, double checks almost certainly mean they were active recently. This is super handy for those times you really want to confirm if someone is ignoring you or just hasn't had a chance to look. And there are a couple more subtle hints. If you happen to be in a chat while the person is typing, you'll see a little typing status pop up near their name. It's pretty self-explanatory, but a great real-time tip-off that they're not only online but actively engaging with you. The same goes for recording audio. If someone is sending you a voice note, Telegram will display this status as well. A quick note: sometimes gathering these clues means waiting a little or popping into the chat at various points. Don't worry if you don't see all these indicators every time. Privacy settings can limit what you see, and not all statuses appear instantly. So just to recap, even if the person tries to hide their tracks, Telegram gives you a handful of clever ways to gauge their activity. Check the status phrases for recentness, watch for read receipts, and pay attention to live statuses like typing or online for real-time presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for figuring out online activity, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more Telegram hacks and straightforward tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.